On the previous episode of Toddler Budgeting Lessons.
I have money in my pocket.
Wait. I don't want your real money. Lathan goes to the store. He sees 3 trucks that he wants. So how many fingers does Lathan have left?
3. And one for you.
No, just the one for you now. Let's go to it. We got to get juice.
Apple juice. Yeah, just apple.
All right, Lathan, we're going into the store. You have $7. 7. How many dollars do you want to keep of your 7?
7.
How many do you want to keep?
7.
If you keep 7, we can't spend any money.
Okay.
So how many? Okay, let me ask you this: how many dollars do you want to spend? Out of 7, how many dollars do you want to spend? How many do you want to spend?
I don't know.
How many dollars do you want to keep?
5.
So you want to spend $2 and keep 5.
Yeah, I want to keep 5.
All right, man, let's go. There you go. That says $1. You can get that. No, that says 10.
Oh.
Look at the numbers. Remember, we only have $2. What does that say? And what does that say?
10.
Yes, we only have $2. We can't get that. So you have $1 spent. You better find something else that's $1.
Okay. I got that last time.
Yeah, that's 10.
It has a 1.
Oh, and a 0. You see both of those numbers.
I think that one doesn't have a 1.
Trying to negotiate. Oh. Okay.
That costs 3.
You can have both of those because that equals 2, right?
Okay.
So we did what? We did 1 and 1. What's 1 and 1?
Costs us
Put up one finger.
Hold that. That costs us 1 too.
So what's put up one finger? And put up one more finger. How many fingers do you have up?
2.
And that's how much we're spending, right?
Yeah.
Good job.
Welcome to Lisa Place. How may I help you?
Sir, I would like to buy one of your cars. How much are your cars?
5.
$5? Well, I want one. I think I want this red, white, and green one in the middle. I want this one.
Okay. You're welcome.
Wait, so it's going to cost me, how much is that going to cost me?
5.
Okay, here's a 10.
10.
So what do I get?
5.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
It's nice doing, oh, you got to put your money away? Okay, I see you. Nice doing business with you. I appreciate your store, sir. I don't need that change. That's not mine. I need your hand to handshake. The other one. There we go. Good job, sir. On the next episode of Toddler Budgeting Lessons. Wait a second.
You can put your card in there.
Go ahead, put it in.
1406.
There you
You
go.
got enough money on there?
I said, we hope so.